You are going to love the 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLS. The Mercedes-Benz GLS is a 7-passenger luxury SUV which possesses all the strength, versatility, safety, elegance, cutting-edge technology, sleek sophistication, and amenities that you've come to expect from a Mercedes, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, CD player, front bucket seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.